Hello.
Hello.
We've just arrived at the harbour at a very early start this morning. Eddie's kindly organised a boat for us to go across to the islands. Mount Agung, one of the active volcanoes in Bali, is actually on the horizon, and we can see it so clearly. The camera's not going to do it any justice.
We chose to visit Nusa Cenigan, which is approximately 30 minutes by fast boat from the mainland. The Nusa Islands are perfect for a day trip. You get to enjoy the most beautiful beaches and some of the best seaside restaurants.
So we've just arrived on the first island, and the watercolor is amazing. We've just met our driver. His name is Lutfi. We're gonna explore a bit of this island, and then we're heading to another island after this.
Have some lunch at the sand.
People usually travel via these buggies. The public transport has multiple people in it, but thanks to our driver Eddie, we were able to book a private transfer here onto this island, which was so much better, and we really enjoyed it. So now we're off to the Yellow Bridge, and we're going across to Nusa Cenigan. It's a pedestrian bridge, but they allow scooters across to the island. I can see the sand. So exciting. The tide's in at the moment, so we won't be able to go down there just yet. Just glad that we're here, and I'm ready for some cocktails.
My name Kadek.
Oh, and how long have you been working here?
8 months.
That's fine. What's your name?
Alex.
Alex. How are you?
Search your Instagram with the hashtag Bali, and you will find the most epic photos. Thousands of postcard perfect pictures with the best beaches and rainforest views for days. But my personal favorite is the infamous Bali swing in the ocean.
as many tourists here as there are on the other island. It's a lot nicer. I feel like the tourism to this island is definitely helping. Your kids would appreciate the shorter trip, and you still get to have your Instagram pictures, including the ones on the swing.